Hi, this is Lightroom 𝙇𝙀𝙏 and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to use and download the Lightroom mobile presets. Let's start. Step 1. Watch the video without skipping to get the password. Watch the video till end. Skipping video is nothing but skipping password. Check the top iCard button for password. Password is divided into two parts. First part placed in one place and second in other. Now collect the two parts as same way and add both to make it single password. Step 2. Downloading preset. Now find the DNG link in the description. Click on the link that takes you to respective browser installed. It asks password to access preset. Enter password which you have collected from video. Click on access. Make sure password is correct, if not watch the full video. Now click on download button. Download it to your mobile or PC. Don't worry, your preset will be downloaded. Step 3. Using preset. Download and open Lightroom mobile application. If not downloaded, download premium unlocked application from description. Now add downloaded Lightroom preset to photos. Open the photos. Click on options above. Click on copy settings. That copies the settings of preset. Repeat the same adding process to add your photo. Click on options above. Click on paste settings, which pastes the settings of preset and make looks like same as edited preset. Finish. Your edit is completed. Enjoy the preset.